Good morning, retail traders. I want to give you a little trick, a little strategy to pick up the next time you see this happen. And this caused the reversal of yesterday, and I'm going to pull it up. Here's the SPY. So I called out the SPY when we were up here at the double top, and I said we might be looking for a pullback, and that our first support would be the 9 EMA. In this case, I'm going to be using candlestick pattern and also going to be using the moving average. So to predict the reversal, first I spotted what you would call 3 black crows. Now, they're not the most beautiful black crows, but they are 3 red weeks. And the 3 red weeks landed on the 21 SMA. So I called this trade out. I said we got 3 black crows here bouncing off the 21. And I wouldn't be surprised if we come in and we see a bounce this week off them crows. So we came back and we retouched that 21 this week, and then we started bouncing up. Now for it to go any higher, we need to break the 9 EMA, and we can get up and start breaking this next level up here right around 512.66. But this is an indicator that is bearish, but could bring you a bullish reversal. And that's 3 weeks of selling, and each one represents a red week, which they call 3 black crows. The SPX the same way. So if you look at the SPX, we have the 3 black crows off the 21. And then this week again, we bounced off the 21. So you put your little price line down here, and I call this a tweezer bottom, right around 496976. And if that thing came down and touched that again, the body of that candle, I would take that trade, because I know that the 21 EMA will apply pressure to the 3 black crows and cause a squeeze. Now we are squeezing because we're between the 21 EMA and the 9. Three black crows definition on how to use it. So I'm going to put this link down in the bottom of the video and you can go over it. But 3 black crows is a phrase used to describe a bearish candlestick pattern may predict a reversal of an uptrend. Well, I think it can cause a reversal to an uptrend, especially 3 weeks of selling hard and hitting a moving average. I trade the 3 black crows a lot day trading on a 1 minute time frame. If I see a sell off of 3 black crows on the 1 minute, I'm going to look at it, see what the next candle is behind it. If it's a doji or a hammer or anything, a gravestone, a dragonfly, any kind of doji, I might take that trade and run it up to the top of those 3 candles. So I'll put this description and you can read up on it. But if you see 3 big red candles, take a look at it, watch it, day trade it, look for that reversal pattern. And that's it. I just wanted to bring you that strategy of the 3 black crows. You could also look at the images. You know, sometimes that they're definitely a bearish indicator, but I just want to bring you up. I've traded this so many times. If I see 3 red candles, I'm going to be looking at it to trade, especially on a weekly time frame. I'm going to be looking at that chart, and same as if I'm going to be looking at the 1 minute, because I think you get 3 black crows like this right here, you get a doji or a spin top or something, you can get a nice 3 white soldiers right after it. It's just a brief sell-off on the smaller time frame, but also on a bigger time frame, it could be a good swing trade idea, because you've had 3 weeks of selling, each of these representing a weekly candle. So that's it. That's the 3 black crows. I definitely love this candlestick pattern. I trade it and mention it a lot. It's an indicator for a reversal to the upside if you can catch it. Also, it's an indicator to consolidate and maybe retest and have new lows. So you got to really be on your toes with it. But man, it's a fast scalp if you can catch a squeeze. That's it. Retail traders. Have a great day. This is the Sneaky Snake trading strategy where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. Have a great day.